This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to close all tabs in Salesforce. Whether you're wrapping up your workday or just need a fresh start, closing all your tabs efficiently can save you time and help keep your workspace tidy. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, navigate to your Salesforce workspace where you typically find all your open tabs. Salesforce organizes these tabs in a bar at the top of your workspace, allowing you to switch between them as needed. Now, focus your attention on the very first tab that you see on the left side of this tab bar. This is usually the first tab you opened, and it's the key to closing all the others. Next, take a closer look at this first tab. Right beside the name of this tab, you'll notice a small downward pointing arrow. This arrow is your gateway to more options regarding tab management. It's designed to give you quick access to additional features without cluttering your workspace. Click on this downward arrow. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. These options are there to help you manage your tabs efficiently, offering actions like closing individual tabs or even reordering them. But today, we're focusing on closing all your tabs in one swift move. In this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Close All Tabs. This choice is typically listed among other tab-related actions and is the one that will allow you to quickly clear your workspace by closing every open tab simultaneously. Select Close All Tabs from this list. Once you click this option, Salesforce will automatically close all open tabs in your workspace. This feature is extremely helpful for those moments when you need to start fresh without manually closing each tab one by one. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to close all your tabs in Salesforce. This method not only helps in organizing your workspace, but also ensures that you can start with a clean slate whenever needed. As a quick tip, remember that closing all tabs will remove any unsaved work within those tabs. Always ensure that you've saved your progress or completed any necessary tasks before taking this action. This way, you won't lose any important information. By mastering this simple process, you can maintain a clutter-free workspace and improve your efficiency in Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Salesforce tabs more effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.